Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to create a UI alert controller in Swift. First thing, you have to do this whenever you click on action button or call into a function or showing some error, warning, whatever. First thing, we have to say let alert is equals to UI alert controller and then parentheses. Inside parentheses, the first argument we have to say title, and then second one and third one will be message and preferred style. Let's say title as some alert, you can say some message here, and also description, otherwise the message we can say we found that there is a error, whatever you can use. Now the alert preferred style, you have to select alert, then this will be some window message like you might experience that earlier. Now how we can add click action to this alert? We can say alert.addAction, and then let's say inside parentheses UIAlertAction. Now put parentheses again. Now the argument will be title, let's say as OK. Now style I will say like dot default. Okay, now the handler, that is the click event handler colon and then parentheses, make some line spaces. Now say action here in. Now let's go ahead and define some switch case statement. We are going to use action.style. We are checking that. Now put braces. Inside braces I will say case dot default. Now when the case is default, we can do this particular action. In this case we can print something, you can do whatever you want. I will say default here, and then the second statement I am going to the case dot cancel. Let's say print cancel. Now the third one I will say case dot destructive. I will print destructive. Okay, that is it. And finally in the below we have to say self.present, and then parentheses we have to pass in what is the alert is, this one, this variable which is alert, and then animated as true. If you want you can select false. Now completion handler we have to say as nil, like this. Okay, I think that is it. Now we are having an error because here we have to say colon, and again here again colon. Okay, that is how to create a UI alert controller.